Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add auto-tune on your audio in Bandlab. So let's get right into it. Now, what Bandlab is, it's a free online sort of studio or a software for creating and editing audio, such as recording your own voice, recording online instruments and making melodies, or just editing already existing audio by adding it in and editing it however you would like. Now, as I've said, I will show you how you can add auto-tune, so let's see what you can do. First and foremost, I recorded some audio of my voice, and let me just play it to see what it sounds like. Okay, so this is a test piece of audio. That's it, just a clear piece of audio, not edited at the slightest. And let's add a bit of auto-tune to it. To do that, you want to go into auto pitch, which is basically Bandlab's own pretty much type of auto-tune. And to actually use it, you need to activate it by clicking here, and when everything turns bright, you can then use it. Now, this is set to a robot setting, so let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so this is a test. So yeah, you can also do classic. Okay, so this is a test piece of audio, and as you can see, it's trying to auto-tune it to the F key, which is doing sort of okay. To use this usefully, you need to create a long piece of audio, then cut it up into smaller pieces, and then just audio correct it to a certain note, and everything should be fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.